Hello again. Now that we know how to enter data into a return, let's have a look at how to review that. This time, let's open a return, one that has a lot of data in it. So on the right hand side, we have a summary. We can see our mandatory fields. There's a fair bit of data filled out. And we're going to have a look at the summary. So we have a few SBR errors and reckon errors there. We'll hit the validation button to load at the bottom. When we click on these, it should give us a brief description, and it will also, on the right of that, allow us to enter directly the data that it's asking for to be able to fix and eliminate those errors. If I click on the heading itself, you can see it loads a page in the background with the full detail. And once I enter that out correctly, the SBR error will remove itself from that validation screen. So you can go through those, enter what's required to eliminate it, to get those errors down to 0. Most of the errors in my example here are because of the TFN, but it also gives us some reckon errors and a reckon warning. So these are what we've built in to show you what should be entered into the return, but these will not prevent you from lodging a return. Because I entered yes, it's going to ask me for more detail. So if I go to no, you can see that error is now removed. So I just work my way through these, get everything down to 0, and that way I know I'm ready to lodge the return. This is just giving me a record warning, letting me know I've imported data and I may have overwritten some values that were typed in there before. So I can go and check that by clicking on the heading and having the page load in the background. Once I know that I've cleared all my validation errors, I can close that screen. And we have a review tab in the layout. And that actually shows me last year's and the current year's differences. So if I scroll through there, I can quickly see if my totals are the same as last year and see if I'm missing something, a piece of information maybe my client didn't give me this year. And by clicking on those lines you saw in the background there, it goes directly to the section that I need. Thank you.